We talk football SA, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Mfowethu igama nokuphawula wakho.
Umuntu wakunjani?
Ngiyaphila mntaka baba kunjani? Hawu sungazi
Wethu baba.
Yeah.
Kama lami ngulakhi Sipoka Mtshali.
Yes.
Ngihlala khona la ePitori, so support Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
So my thoughts on the game today. Ngicabanga ukuthi first half yethu beyinhle kakhulu. From our build up process, ngibonile ukuthi sizamile ukuthi si-combine ama-passes, but now siyaqala senza amaphutha in the last half nyana so of the second half. Sabe siqala senza amaphutha, and that's when we got punished, right? And then as the game elapsed, saqala sadlala ibhola lethu, but now kwaba nale controversial moment whereby Jaden Adams got a red card, and then ya disturb i-rhythm yethu. And then the moment that we came back into the game, I saw the home when I was trying by all means ukuthi avale i-Kaizer Chiefs from la counter attacks. Defensively was very solid today, and I think as a team today we played quite well, but then we should have converted some of our chances, but then we couldn't. Yes, so I think now going to the other games we just need to rectify those mistakes, but I think so far we're going well, and also for the CAF Champions League we're gonna also do well. It's just a matter of practice, and then we rectify all our mistakes that we did for today's game. But all in all, I'm very happy about the team's performance, and I just hope that we're gonna do our best in the next upcoming games. Kabuyelo Masandawana.
Thank you, Sandawana. Man of the match. Who is the man of the match?
Well, from my team, I would give it to Teboho Mokoena because he fought very hard today, especially in making sure that he covers the distance, also closing down the attack at Kaizer Chiefs because they were doing counter attacks a lot, and then obviously they would make mistakes on the back because they're not comfortable. So, but Teboho Mokoena was there on song today to help us defend. Other than that, I think it was a very good performance today, a very fair result, but we need to work on our defensive tactics.
No, thank you, Sandawana. Thank you. Thank you for the support as well. I'm still there on my friends' weight. And this is We Talk Football SA, my own channel. Thank you.